This is Carlos Cousins, and the following SAT writing question is asking about sentence 2 in this paragraph. So because it's in a paragraph, let's go ahead and read the topic sentence to make sure we understand how it fits into the rest of the paragraph. Now, the topic sentence is the first sentence of each body paragraph. So let's go ahead and get started. When then President George Washington signed the Patent Act into law 225 years ago, he got the ball rolling on, or this doesn't seem like it's correct. Maybe there was something else there. One of the most important catalysts to creativity and invention that the world has ever known. So we're talking about the fact that George Washington signed this act, and that act was a catalyst to creativity and invention in America, unlike that in other parts of the world. Okay, let's go ahead and read sentence 2 then. It is unlikely, however, that he would have ever guessed that the 9 millionth patent would be issued to a man named Matthew Carroll from Jupiter, Florida, who invented a way to keep a constant supply of windshield washer fluid in the car. So it looks like this hasn't got as much to do with the previous sentence. This almost implies that this would be the new topic sentence. We've got however here, we're changing, there's a shift in tone and meaning. Let's go ahead and see if the rest of the passage talks about, the rest of the paragraph talks about this Matthew Carroll. Nope, we start with the act. Was one of the first of its kind in American history. Okay, well, patents had existed in other countries, so again, this was the Patent Act, so we're still talking about the act. It's no wonder then that the landmark 9 millionth patent was recently issued. It feels like everything has to do with the Patent Act and not with Matthew Carroll from Jupiter, Florida, who invented a way to keep a constant supply of windshield washer fluid in his car, or in cars in general. So this shouldn't really be where it is now at all. So I'm going to get rid of the first answer choice here. Before sentence 1, well, potentially, if we want to keep it in this paragraph, though, then the rest of the passage as a whole, that would be the new topic sentence, would have to be talking about this Matthew Carroll fellow, but that's not what the passage is talking about. It's talking about the Patent Act, so it seems to be that sentence number 1 should remain the one dealing with President Washington signing the Patent Act, and the Patent Act being the main point. After sentence 5, so if we placed it after sentence 5, it would be the conclusion. So rather than it being that it's no wonder then that the landmark 9 millionth patent was recently issued with number 10 million only years away, we would now have right after this the fact that it's unlikely that Matthew Carroll would have invented this constant supply of windshield washer fluid for a car method. It doesn't seem to have anything to do with the Patent Act. It doesn't seem to belong after sentence 5. Elsewhere in the passage or deleted. This seems like the best answer choice. It's unclear where else in the passage we're talking about windshield wiper fluid, but deleted would probably be the best answer choice here. I hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.